Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. Another episode. Been a bit slack at the moment. There's so many on backlog, so I'm trying to get some editing done so I can bring you guys some more content. But today, getting the trailer loaded up. Some interesting stuff going on with the car, so gonna get it loaded up. Gonna get it up to the boys. We're gonna get this engine ripped out. Decide what we're going to be doing with this thing moving forward. So I've sort of come to a bit of a crossroad. Without sort of saying too much yet, I'm still undecided, but we're gonna get this thing up, freshened up, new rods, pistons, check everything over, all the bearings, and just basically give it a nice birthday before the next round of Kenda. The potential of this engine hasn't even been close to getting reached, but we're just gonna sit down and iron out a few things and decide what I'm gonna do moving forward with the program. So excited, nervous, unsure, all of those things at the moment. So anyway, I'm gonna pop this thing down, continue getting the car loaded up on the trailer, and then we'll go from there. But this is it, 275 Outlaw, ready to rock and roll. Let's go. You sort of get faster and faster at doing this the more and more you do it. So I'm learning as I go, I'm getting it done as I go, and I'm still undecided as to what to do. What do you reckon we should do with this combo? Rev it up a little bit more and chase it? Or do we upgrade? What are you thinking, guys? Drop a comment. Tell me what you reckon. Also, guys, a massive shout out to all my sponsors here. Wiring and Tuning Solutions, Hailtech, 40 Links, Surface Correction Protection, and Donus Cafe, Street Race Solutions, NGK Spark Plugs too. They are keeping the spark alive for me and allowing us to go racing. And there's a little bit more space. There's a little bit more space on the windows. Prodigy PT. And of course, Streets Anonymous, don't forget, drop a like, a comment, subscribe, do the usual stuff and help this channel grow. And stay tuned for what's gonna be coming up with this build. All right, we're locked and loaded. Car's ready to go. Last minute checks, make sure everything's all good. All strapped down, pretty Mickey Mouse. Money goes in there, comes out here. It goes out of here faster than it goes in here. Makes big smoky things out the back there. Here we are. Top of the hill. Look at the size of the man. He's half the size.
Dropping weight, babe.
Dropping weight. Oh, Ranger doesn't like going up the hills, but we made it. Oh, I'm not sorry. Oh, it's the Croc Crew. Hey! The fucking boys are, you know. Brother, you good? You good? You good? Have a look at the pairs.
They got it. Look,
red fast. So, come up here just to unload the car and whatever else. A bit of fucking peer pressure. We're getting it off the chip.
Let's go.
We're gonna get it off the. We're gonna get it off the chip. It's coming out anyway. So.
It'd be rude not to give it a lick.
Apparently. So, all right, let's get this thing unloaded.
So we're up here at SRS in Toowoomba, dropping the Foxbody off, and I hate to say this, but with a little bit of persuasion, we managed to get the big man to unload the car, and we're going to see what it's like on a bit of concrete. I'm not sure how far it's going to go or how wide it's going to be, but stay tuned. This guy needs to put his shirt on. He's making us all look fat. Have a go at the rig on him, ladies and gentlemen. The man, the myth, the legend. The legend himself. Well, I don't think they want to see you with a shirt on. The more likes we get, the more clothes this man's going to take off.
up here for a quiet Sunday, and when you come to the top of the hill, well, I think my finger slipped on the button. And then my foot, yeah, twice. Anyone, I was saying, anyone can do it once.
Brother, but look at this. Look, we put some lumber down, one hit. You hear it?
Yeah. Look at that, it's actually...
We've got a new roll racing fucking place.
Yeah.
The neck would actually probably grip.
I'm not going to name venues, but if you don't get your shit together, well...
Yeah, well.
So, Stu, what's the go, brother? What are we going to do here? RB or...?
Yeah, he's finally realised and gone, you know what, fuck it, Stu, we're putting RB in it.
You're putting a 4G63 in it. RB, bro.
4J93,
I got one of them
1.8.
here too as well.
Yeah.
My VEC motor, bro.
My VEC? Oh, no, that's the
It's
4VX,
like,
isn't
it's
it?
like VTEC, but for homos. But
So that's what the team meeting was. You heard earlier, we're up here, we're trying to decide what we're doing. Tested the grip. This is actually really, really sticky. I was actually surprised. Just, I don't know if you guys can hear that. Like, that's just with my croc. We might have to do some test licks here with the prep that we've got and see what happens, but we're going inside. Let's see what they've got cranking in here. So obviously the Foxbody with now a set of dusted radials. We got Big Jamie's deal. Ooh, it's a bit different.
Honda.
fucking hell, 𝐾𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬 Honda motor.
This here. If anyone knows this section here.
Yeah, no way. That's oil cooler?
Yeah, water cooler.
Yeah,
We've got water cooled engines
flux
now.
capacitor, that's right. Fuck, it's all happening up here. It just needs a bit more big block. Oh, that might fit in that.
It would might fit.
Does he want it?
Hang it down the bottom.
Does he want
Cheek
to?
cake. Cheek cake.
Does he want a steel? Oh, wow.
Up the
Bolt
roof.
in.
Up the roof?
Oh, wow, he's gone. So, 8.0s?
Yeah, it will be 8.0s, yeah, but we'll shoot it for 750.
Yeah, of course.
750 and call out the big dog. I'm gonna put some slicks all around. I'm going backpack racing.
Sure.
No prep.
I'll have to take it to America.
100%. 100%. A lot more out than that for sure.
This is what we're here to see. None of this little small cube stuff. We want the big donks. Yeah. How old is this guy? He's lost how much fucking weight have you lost?
22 kilos.
What's the secret, brother?
Mexicanos.
Exhaust pipes,
What you gonna call that box?
hoses and wiring. I'll sell it to you.
How much you gonna sell it for?
Cheap, brother. For you, real cheap.
Good deal.
I wouldn't say good deal, I'd just say real cheap. It's not necessarily good deal.
Oh, Sam's got a wheel.
I do.
Should be good now.
Can't stop weighing yourself every 3 seconds, I'll break your legs.
What's the weekly weigh-in?
91.
He's already done it today.
What's
didn't do
the
it
daily
today.
Yeah,
weigh-in?
this morning before you
Yeah, I
had
was holding my water bottle and everything else with me.
Go, Joe. Push, you big cunt. You gonna make this? Probably.
You're looking pretty center there, or what?
You're alright, son. You're alright, son.
You're alright, mate. Hey, one's right, mate. Dead down. That nigga dead.
That nigga is dead.
Got you.
It has arrived.
Oh, fuck. I went the wrong.
That's beautiful, Sam. You're fine as well.
Thank you.
You said it's not going anywhere?
No. Anywhere. Now I have. I said that's not going.
All right, guys, so following up from that video, cars all dropped off up in the hill. Bit of fun, bit of shenanigans. The thing's coming out to get freshened up, and I guess we can announce it. I've just put this up on the internet. The engine's coming out. It is now gonna be up for sale. So engine's gonna get full freshen up. I'm gonna be doing box, blower, engine, all the fueling system, converter to go that combo and put it straight into another car and ready to go racing. So you can buy all that. You can buy bits and pieces of it, but ideally I'd love to sell that thing whole. 637 cube alley, big block, 11 degree heads, 130 mil blower on the front of it. All the fruit to make a lot of power and to go racing. And to be honest, that is the most reliable engine I've ever owned. And I've owned a few in my time. So yeah, if you want to get in a combo and you want to get racing, please get in contact with me. I've just posted this thing live this morning. And as usual, the phone's blown up with obviously the people want to kick a few tires and whatever else, but only $80,000. That is cheap. So we've got some massive, massive things coming. So if you want to see the progress and what's coming on with this car, please don't forget, like and subscribe. Check out what's coming, because the next sort of 6 to 12 months, yeah, it's all going to be happening. But in more exciting news, we got the best guys in the business, NGK. They keep doing it, they keep killing it. They've actually just come to me and have given us another care package. So check this out. The guys are the bomb. They've given us a keychain, shape of a spark plug, some shirts, and this goodie box, it is just full of all the good stuff. So there's shirts, there's hats, there's bags, there's mats for the side of the car when we're working on it, there's footballs, there's sticker kits, there is so much. There's a visor, more stickers, more stuff that I'm going to put in my shed with the car, and some of the coolest stuff, if you know, you know, especially when you got to try get those spark plugs on those big cube engines in tight places. So yeah, bit of forward planning now with us. We're going to be potentially stopping all that with what is going to be coming up next. So guys, get over NGK Spark Plugs, Natera, KYB, give them a follow, most importantly, because they're absolutely crushing it. So guys, also the merch, it is here. I've got plenty of it. It is for sale. So if you want to get some, jump onto the website, streetsanonymous.com. I'm going to put a little bit of a link down here. Get over there. I'm also going to put one in the description to buy some merch. This is how much of it I've got. There is absolute bucket loads. I've got every size, 3XL, 2XLs, all the way down to smalls. I've got shirts ready to go. There is more merch running out the door now. So please don't forget, subscribe, like the channel, help us grow. All the sponsors that are on board, stay with us, because there's some really, really cool stuff coming and some big events that we're hopefully going to be able to announce coming up soon. But in the meantime, this is going to do for another episode. I'm going to get this one loaded up and start the ball rolling as what's going on next. So yeah, someone buy the combo out of the Foxbody, go racing. This combo's proven, it's a deal. So it's gone 4.1s before in a 2,600 pound car thereabouts. We've gone 440 and not really even getting after it. So it's a proven deal and the most reliable engine I've ever owned. So get it, and I'll see you guys for another episode.